Hello, Emma. What is your favorite type of food?
Hello. I like pizza very much. What about you?
I love sushi because it is so fresh. Have you ever tried making your own pizza at home?
I like sushi too. Yes, I made pizza once.
That's great. Did you use any special toppings on your pizza?
I used mushrooms and olives. They are my favorites.
Mushrooms and olives are delicious together. What other foods do you enjoy cooking?
I enjoy cooking pasta with vegetables. It is very tasty.
Pasta with vegetables is healthy and flavorful. Do you ever try new recipes?
Yes, I try new recipes. I like cooking different dishes.
What dish are you planning to try next?
I want to try the grilled chicken.
Have you ever used any special marinades for it?
I used lemon and herbs.
Lemon and herbs make a perfect marinade. What herbs do you usually choose?
I usually choose basil and oregano. They taste great together.
They are such classics. How often do you cook at home?
I cook at home twice a week. Simple meals are best.
Simple meals are always nice. Do you like to eat out often too?
Yes, I like eating out. It's fun to try new foods.
Do you have a favorite restaurant you visit often?
I like a small cafe nearby. They have great pasta.
Small cafes can be so cozy and inviting. Do you usually order the same dish there?
I usually order pasta or salad.
Do you experiment with different types of salads at home?
I like trying new salads at home. Fresh ingredients are the best.
Fresh ingredients really make a difference. What is your favorite salad dressing?
I love lemon and olive oil dressing.
Lemon and olive oil is a classic combination. Do you have a favorite dessert to go with your meals?
I like chocolate cake. It is my favorite dessert.
Chocolate cake is a wonderful dessert choice. Do you ever bake your own cakes at home?
I love baking cakes at home. It's fun and tasty.